only Kiko Double G. It's the one and only Kiko Double G.
Yeah, boy.
It's the one and only Kiko Double G.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Actor. Well, there's a reason to cut that intro. I'm not going to tell you that. So today in this special video, we are going to make Windows 11 but in 10 days with the help of C#, and we are going to use two software that are Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 and Unity. So let's get started.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
The beginning is with day 1. In day 1, I tried making it in Windows form in Visual Studio, but that was a failure because I had very less knowledge about Windows form. But at that same day, I also made a project in Unity, and in Unity it just took very less minutes and couple of clicks and everything was ready. And in day 1, the desktop designing, the wallpapers and the buttons were added, and now they need to just work. Alright, summer is very hot now. So it's now day 2 and holy moly, some programming. How do you think I do programming? No, stop it. I'm not that weird. I do programming like a normal people only. So in day 2, I did the start menu, and I've actually added a function. If you click on the start menu button, the start menu will open up, and if you click on the search icon, the search will open up. Pretty good, right? And the core mechanics are now working, which are these two only. I have to make the other things also work. Also in day 2, I made the taskbar a little bit small because it was very huge. And yeah, day 2 was over, and yeah, pretty small, right? And now that's starting point. I started making videos now, and you may see that in day 1 and day 2 not much videos were there, and I was reusing the old videos. But shh. Yeah, in day 3 what I did was I made a function that will just close the start menu, because in every Windows, if you open the start menu and click on any other software, the start menu disappears. This doesn't apply in this application, but if you click on start menu and click on search menu, the start menu disappears. Pretty good, huh? But with that, lots of bugs came, and I had the day 3 fixing that bugs. Also, I took screenshot from my Windows 10 Edge and did some coding, and now Edge is also working. And by the way, I also created an animation. If you hover over that icon, if you hover over that icons, the icons pops up, it just zooms in, and once you click on it, it pops out. And in every Windows there is an option, if a software is open, a box appears in its icon in taskbar. So I also had to make that, but I thought I would make it in future. By this time I was pretty serious, and I have done many revolutionary things. I have made the Windows Edge working, the File Explorer and MS Store working. Also the widget pane and Action Center is working. I did some Photoshop and made them rounded so that it matches with the theme. And yeah, whole day was spent at coding, and I thought that much for today. Pretty much for this video, day 4 is short, but it was a very long process for me. And as always, when everything was going fine, some shit comes around and hit us on the back. I didn't have any connectivity to electricity for 3 days, and I thought that I should count them as one day, which is day 5. In day 5, I pretty much did some cool things like took some high resolution pictures of the softwares because the images in the source project were not so high resolution and they were blurry. So I took much time in searching on YouTube about that, and yeah, I find some pretty satisfying screenshots and made them rounded, and now they are matching. Some are pretty much dark, but I don't think it's not matching at all. But yeah, day 5 was done like that. Also, we took some break and bought some iPhones 12 Pros Maxes.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
And that was gone like that. Most of you may have recognized this music, but by the way, now it's day 6 and what I did was move to a new room because of that electricity problem. So now in day 6 what I did was fix some of the bugs, made some cool animations for it, and I thought of making a time displaying in the widget pane because the widget pane doesn't do anything, and now it displays time. Because the action center was dark and it wasn't matching with the light mode, so I've added a new screenshot, made it rounded, and I added the small action center, which is the quick action center, and yeah, this is now matching. Also, I'm skipping forward to day 9 because day 7 and day 8 were pretty much same, and I didn't want to waste your time holding on the progress, so I want to show you to the next revolutionary day, which is day 9. Fast forward to day 9. I'm not going to tell what I did in day 9, but till day 9 what is done I'm going to tell you. The Windows version screen is added, the settings is now added but needs to be working more finely and more smoothly. Some bugs have been fixed and the close button is working now. The action center is made different in both of the desktop. The task view is working and you can actually switch between two desktop. One is the dark mode, which is actually a light mode with dark wallpaper. You can also see real system time on the widget pane. You can open every software in the taskbar. You can also shut down your PC. Also, when you open the software, you get a very cool splash screen and also the Windows 11 booting screen, just to get you the feel and experience of Windows 11. I forgot to tell you one thing. I'm very bad at sound designing, and yeah, let me show you an example. Alright guys, let's play our example, and as you can see, this is my failed, merely very badly copied last line, Garibon Ka Last Line, which means Last Line Poor Edition. You can get settings here, and this doesn't work quite, and you can just exit the game and you can also start. Up to here the sound designing is pretty much good, and now the mess comes on and I can just zoom in and shoot someone, and this sound is also copied from Last Line. This is very... see this. Oh man, this is hurting my ears. Now let me just reload my gun and you hear that sound. Pretty much nothing is related, and as this was my first project in Unity, yeah, quite messed up. Oof, finally the wait is over. The day 10 is here. In day 10 what I did was fix some of the bugs, and the settings is now clearly working. Also the sound designing has been done, and because of few sounds, this sound designing is better than the previous example as I have shown now. And yeah, I also built the file and it took me only 2 minutes and it was pretty much smaller. Also I made a setup file because it would be large enough for some people to download it. So the setup file is only about 22 MB, which download link is in the description. Also, if you want the source code or the source project because you want to see my messed up project, also if you want to correct my mistakes and want to contribute your own functions, yeah, you can download it also in the download link in the description. You will be given the link. And yeah, pretty much that much for today's video. And this journey was very good, and this challenge was also pretty much difficult for me because this was my first time making a challenge like this. And yeah, if you like this video, you can like the video, you can share this video to your friends in whose PC Windows 11 can't run, or somebody who has wished to run Windows 11 in near the future. If you want more contents like this, you can subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon you will get notifications whenever I upload my new video. And yeah, these all are free and you can just do it without any cost. Also, if you want to send me some contents and also want to send me some topics to make video on, you can send in comments, and many have done like this and I have also made videos on it, and I also heard every comment. So yeah, try a good luck. And with that said, this is the Hector signing out.